Right now, there is a moment in your life where everything inside you is screaming, stop. Your body is tired, your mind is drained, and that voice, that dangerous voice, keep whispering, this is enough. You have done enough. But what if this is not the end? And what if this moment, this exact second, is the place where your real story begins? The truth about pain. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. It does not come to destroy you, it comes to reveal you. Everyone wants success, but very few are willing to suffer for it. They love the spotlight but avoid the darkness. They admire the result but ignore the sacrifice behind it. And here is the truth, comfort keeps you average, but pain forces you to evolve. Every time you choose comfort, you stay where you are. Every time you choose pain, you step closer to who you could become. The moment you want to quit, there will be days when everything feels heavy, days when your energy is gone, your force is broken, and your reason feels weak. That's not weakness, that's the moment that separates people. Because winners are not created when everything is perfect, they are created in the chaos, in the struggle, in the exact moment when quitting feels justified. When quitting feels light, that's when winning begins. Most people stop here, not because they can't continue, but because they choose not to. And that's why they never see what was waiting just one more step ahead. Why most people fail? Let's be honest. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they lack endurance. They feel pain and they escape. They feel pressure and they fold. They feel discomfort and they disappear. But you are still here. Pain does not stop you. Your decision to quit does. Pain is not a wall, it's a doorway. And the only way forward is straight through it. Building the mental toughness. Mental toughness is not something you were born with. It's built brick by brick. Every early morning you did not want to wake up. Every extra repetition your body wanted to avoid. Every moment you showed up when no one was watching. That's where it's built. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Motivation is temporary, it comes and goes. But discipline stays when everything else disappears. And when motivation leaves, discipline takes control. The power of pushing through. Something changes when you stop running from pain. Something shifts when you decide to face it. You start to realize you are not weak. You are just untested. You don't discover strength in comfort. You discover it in resistance. That extra step, that extra second, that extra push when your body says no. That's not just effort. That's called transformation. Your future self is watching. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the person you want to become. Stronger, sharper, unstoppable. Now imagine they are watching you right now. Watching your choices, watching your excuses, watching your effort. Your future self is built by the decision you make today. Will they thank you or will they question why you stopped? Because every moment you push forward, you are earning that future. Turn pain into power. Pain is neutral. It does not care what you do with it. You decide whether it breaks you or builds you. You can complain or you can grow. You can avoid it or you can use it. Pain is temporary, but the person you become is permanent. Every struggle you face is shaping your identity. Every challenge is sharpening your edge. So the next time pain show up, don't run, don't hide, don't negotiate. Face it, stand tall, and take a breath and move forward. Because beyond that pain is a version of you that most people will never meet. Push through the pain because that's where ordinary ends and greatness begins. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.